What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, guys, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's Makeup Monday video, it is going to be a little bit different. Like the title says, I got a new piercing, which is my nose piercing. I will be sharing with you guys the video of me getting my nose pierced, as well as I'm going to be sharing some tips with you guys as it regards to piercing from my overall experiences. Now, the first tip that I want to share as it regards to piercing is do your research on the specific piercing so you're at least 70% ready for the piercing itself. In doing this, you're going to know where you want the piercing, whether it's left, right, up, down, center, all that good navigation stuff. In doing so, you're also going to know how you want it. For example, like if you want it to be a nub, if you want it to be a hoop, if you want it to be gold, if you want it to be silver. In doing so, you're also going to know what you are signing up for along the way. So this is the aftermath. So basically, this is after the piercing, how you're going to take care of it, what do you need to take care of it, and all those good stuff. I am going to do a video of that. I feel like that's going to be my next video. So I'm going to do another video about the aftermath of my piercing. Also, in doing so, it will literally feel like you've already done the piercing, so you probably won't be as nervous as you would have been if you did not do any research. The next tip that I feel like I need to share with you guys is you should definitely ensure that where you're going to get the piercing, it is a highly ranked or a highly rated place. Please, for the love of Christ, you are dealing with your body. Do not go getting a piercing at a random place or from a random person. I feel like getting your piercing at a shop or by a professional is the best way to go, simply because you are more comfortable there. There are like sterilized tools everywhere. And the other thing to it is, if you're doing your piercing by a professional, that's an insurance, point blank period. Because if you were supposed to get a piercing around the corner by John Brown that doesn't have a shop, he's just a random person walking around doing piercing, and after you receive that piercing, a month or two, your piercing starts to fester or rot, I can guarantee you that you are not going to find the John Brown around that same corner anymore. Or even if you do find John Brown, he is going to pretend like he does not know you because he basically cannot help you, and that is going to cause some altercation and a whole. As it regards to getting your piercing by a professional in a shop where you do the piercing and a month or two the piercing starts to fester or rot, you can walk up in that store and say, hey, the other day I came here, I got this piercing, this is what's happening, I need your help. I can guarantee you that the professional will definitely help you, other than John Brown that's around the corner. So that is just my take to it. Also, I feel like your body should literally be your prized possession, so any form of treatment should be the best or greatest treatment that you give to your body. So it does not make sense for you to go around the corner to get your piercing done by John Brown when you could just get it done by a professional. The last tip that I want to mention is everyone's body is different. So the tips that I've mentioned, you probably never used it and all your piercings are fine, when there could be someone that did not use those tips whatsoever and their piercing did not come out right. And I just feel like all the tips that I've mentioned, it is a good way to go. They are very simple, so why not use them? Also, your body is your masterpiece, and I know no one likes when they have like scars or festers on their skin. So those tips, I feel like sharing them with persons that don't have piercing or persons that even have piercing and they never did all those tips could actually consider them when getting piercings, because like I said, those steps are really simple and they are good tips, so why not just use them? I just want to say the tips may not be a lot, but if you do follow those tips, your piercing experience will be a great experience. Thanks be to God, my piercer was cool and professional. I would definitely give my nose piercing experience a 10 out of 10. As such, I am definitely going to put the business card up in this video as well as the Instagram page. That is it from me in today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive feedbacks. Also follow me on all my socials at AYAFARRR, that is IFR with 3 R's. Until next time, walk good, love you guys.